Alright, we are in Ouray, Colorado, and today I'll be riding with Ashley in the Joker card inspired Troy Lee outfit on his 2021 Husky TE300i. Now his wife Andrea here on a 2020 KTM XCW 150i, also fuel injected. So I'm one of the carb riders here. I got a 2018 TE300 with an Lectron as advertised. So, and Craig is our fourth rider today. We will have a fifth. We'll have Ron tomorrow with us. Craig is on a Honda. I think it's a 250F of some sort. And let's get warmed up and get going. Ashley's doing a break-in procedure on his bike right now, so he's varying the RPMs, slower, faster, etc. He's only got an hour on the bike. Some of the trails we do have drop-offs like this, but a lot of it's covered with trees, so it seems a little more forgiving, as if anything you'd be stopped by, you'd go down the hill kind of like a pachinko ball, hoping that you ended up not too twisted up. Is this it? Is that it? Oh, that's fun. Lofting over every one of these. I'm not going to go 100% here. Could be somebody flying down the hill, which is what it's probably going to be us the next day or two. I believe I'm in third here. There's the ear popping. Now I can hear myself blather. Oh, Mike would love this. Mike, you got to make it up here for this. Your Tigger's gonna love it. This is just so beautiful. I don't know what that is, but I'll tell you, it's really fun coming down this thing. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? There's more to come. $10.10 or $11.7. Nice, you were really moving. What's that?
I reset the front.
Yeah?
Unfucking-believable.
Awesome.
And the second time out here is so much better than the first.
Oh, good. Oh, great. So I don't know how far Andrea is going to get up that hill. I hope she can make.
She'll do all right, man. It's not that bad.
Yeah. Awesome. Oh, except for that.
Oh, wow.
Here.
All
right.
Okay.
Shit, that's right, because there's no gear. All right, now I got the rear brake on.
All right. All right.
Great job.
Thank you. So I would have made it, but I didn't know what to do with the Jeeps.
Okay,
So I was in front of Ashley and I saw the Jeeps, and they were about to go to a really steep section. I don't know.
What the etiquette is.
I don't know what the etiquette is exactly. Yeah. So he told me, now I know.
Awesome. I'm so glad you made it this far. Isn't that fun?
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, it isn't. I mean, it was challenging, but
sure.
Ever like, oh shit, I'm not gonna make it.
Right. This here is gonna just boost your off-road skills like a month of training would.
Yeah.
You know,
oh,
just.
Yeah, totally.
This bike is totally transformed.
Yeah.
From yesterday.
With the tire pressures.
Totally transformed. I mean,
Awesome. Awesome. That's the problem.
I don't know what the Jeep etiquette is. So I didn't know what to do.
When I lugged off the power,
Yeah.
So
That's all cool.
yeah, but then
it's fine, but I didn't have traction. So even when I was off the power,
Yeah.
I had no traction because it was too much air pressure.
Yeah.
And then I would give it more and it made it worse. But I had no grip.
Yeah. Now today you're
Oh, it's unbelievable.
grippy.
Yeah, I was playing behind her.
Yeah. Nice.
Always jumps.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's great.
So
wasn't too happy in third there. Woo, beautiful. Well, watch where you're going. don't want to let the thin air get the best of me. Thank you. We got 3 more. Did it, no dabs. More. See Craig so that he knows where to go. No problem. Craig's like a transformed rider, man. Wow, huh? I know. Yeah. What's that now?
You gotta go down before that gets over here.
We're going that way though, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, we are. We're going that way. But at the very bottom we take a right or something, I think. But that's way down in Animas Forks. I think that's where this leads, right? Your riding has transformed, Craig.
Yeah.
Seriously.
I feel great.
It's amazing. I'm really happy to see that. It's awesome.
Miles on the seat, man.
You got to feel good about it. You got to feel good about that. Here it comes. Master of the mountain. Awesome.